Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So unlike other Mondays, we have seen a bloodbath on the streets. DXY just after the market opening showed a massive move and made a high of 114.48. Right now we can see that DXY is standing at 113.94, but overall things are pretty bad. If you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made good amount of money right after the market opening, because we were expecting a fall and rise of DXY. But to be honest, I was not expecting DXY to show a massive candle right after the market opening. Okay, but anyways, my dear friend, you must understand one thing very well, that DXY, okay, as we have been discussing for the last couple of days and weeks, the DXY is bullish. DXY will remain bullish because of all the fundamental factors. And as we all know, that right now we do not have any resistance on the chart of DXY. The next resistance is around 120, and till then I don't know what will happen to the chart of Euro, USD, GBP, USD and others, but things will be very bad. So my dear friends, if you're standing against the trend of the market, then please come out of your positions. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority as a trader. And please plan your trades accordingly. DXY will remain bullish. If you see few red candles during the day, those are just corrections. Overall, the trend of DXY is bullish. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro dollar. Euro dollar right now standing at 0.9635, and it made a low of 0.9555. It made a low of 0.9555. So overall the strategy is still the same, because in this type of market situation, okay, as I have been saying, that sell on rise is always the best scenario. But in case market fails to go up, then obviously you can take a sell position. So the strategy has not changed at all. Okay, so right now as you can see, market is standing here. Do not enter in the middle, because see, your risk to reward, first of all, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor, and we are traders, not gamblers, so we will not enter in the middle. So if market goes up, listen to me carefully, if market goes up on during the day around this level, 0.9700, 0.9710, around this level, if you see market going up, observe the market first. If you see that market is struggling around this level, 0.9700, 0.9710, if you see price is being rejected from above, market forming shooting star kind of a patterns, bearish engulfing patterns, then you can take a sell position, because we have got Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. And being a follower of sale on rise, okay, you'll have to look for the resistances so that you get the best price in the market. Okay, so if market goes up and reverse from this level, you can take a sell position. But during the European session or during the day, if you see that market is showing a recovery and market is forming green candles instead of red, if you see market forming green candles, then obviously you should not take any sell position, because this is the main difference between a gambler and a trader. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right. A trader do not chase the market, he just wait for the right opportunity. So you can wait, you can just observe the market. If you see market reversing, take a sell. If you see market going up, market is breaking the level, just avoid it. Okay, you don't need to do anything. If possible, try to add 50 moving average on the charting platform. Okay, try to add 50 moving average on your charting platform, because you can see the 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic resistance to the market. In case market breaks also, then there's a high chance that 50 moving average will act as dynamic resistance and market will be reversing from here. It's a dynamic resistance, so I cannot give you the exact figure. It can be around 0.9750 also. Okay, it can be around 0.9750, and you can expect the market to reverse, and ultimately we have a big resistance around 0.9800 because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous support acting as resistance, as well as Fibo 38.2% retracement level. So if you combine both the factors here, then yes, 0.9800 is a level of good sellers. Okay, anyways, if market goes up, these are the three opportunities in front of you where you can take a sell position, but as a trader you have to observe at every level. Okay, so on the other hand, let's discuss if market goes down. So on the other hand, if market fails to go up and the selling continues and DXY starts flying, okay, in that case obviously your market will not be going up, because if DXY starts going up again, then you need to wait for 0.9555. okay, you need to wait for the market to hit this level. 0.9555 will be an important level. This is not a support. Okay, this is not a support, this is just the previous low. If you see market breaking 0.9555 level and going down, you can go for a sell position as well. For additional confirmation, you can look at the chart of DXY or US dollar currency index. If you see that market Euro USD is breaking 0.9555 and DXY is also going up, then you will get the confirmation that okay, things are bad for Euro USD again, and you can click on the sell button. But keep in mind that breakout or breakdown trades can be tricky, so as a result, do not put a heavy lot size, follow proper risk management, and moreover, this is minus, I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. Okay, and one thing I would like to add here is that overall the market condition is not very well. Okay, probably you all have forgotten, but the war between Russia and Ukraine is still going on, and right now the Vladimir Putin is preparing for, okay, there is a news that Vladimir Putin is preparing the nuclear warheads. Okay, he's not planning to destroy Ukraine completely, but yes, he's preparing nuclear warheads. So yes, there can be a small time nuclear warfare too. So things are not very positive for Europe. And secondly, there is a severe acute water crisis going on in Europe. The water crisis is so bad that there is a problem of drinking water as well. Okay, so things are not very positive for Europe right now. So right now things are very much bearish on the charts also for GBP and Euro. So please plan your trades accordingly. If you're standing against the trend of the market, please reconsider your positions.